Hey, Max and I are down at the Lighthouse restaurant at Point Breeze. We stopped in here for lunch. We got lunches, fish fries, dinners, free drink to go. Good deal. Well, Max and I are down here to the Old Orchard River at Sandy's Marina. You give it a try. It's a little foggy right now. The fog is rolled in, but we don't have much bait today. We only caught 2 minnows in the trap, and we got a frozen frog, and we got some frozen minnows, and some sweet corn. So we're gonna give her a go and see if we can get anything. Fish on. It's a perch. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it. Broke the ice. We got a perch. Gar Pike. Another Gar Pike. It's a Gar Pike. Well, that's the second Gar Pike we got. That's cool. Got him on a dead shot. I heard these supposed to be good eating. We were getting hit after hit, and I couldn't hook them. I just wondered why I couldn't hook them. I couldn't hook them because they're Gar Pike, and them Gar Pike are hard to hook. That's why I was missing fish after fish here today. I thought it was me. But anyone knows fish for Gar Pike, they're hard to catch. That long, slinky, toothy mouth. Go fishing for Gar Pike, just Gar Pike, and see how many you catch using live and cut bait. Give it a go. Max and I are going to pack up to go home. So at least we caught something today. Maybe I lost some of my mojo. The last few days I went fishing yesterday. I had 4 fish on, lost all 4 of them. The day before, the same thing. So maybe I'm getting my mojo back. We got 2 today. That beats a blank any day of the week. Thanks for watching our videos. May the good Lord take a look into you. And we'll see you the next time.